She was so amazing. I did all of that and she didn't even record a single thing.
Thank God. Do you know why? Because you don't act natural. The way you were on life to that, it's like two...
I don't know where the heck I even got up to. Okay, well...
I ordered this hair from Amazon. It came in 2 days and I lightened it to a light brown, which you guys will see because I've inserted the video at some point. And well, it came on, it was really soft. I probably should have done an unboxing video, but you saw the way my dreads were looking and it was a hot mess. So I had to, you know, I had no time to start setting up lighting and backing, and I said no, this hair needs to be put on my head ASAP. Using 3 bottles of, what do I use? Crazy Colour. I use Crazy Colour, 3 bottles. And
then what I do, now I really need to pee. Like, I actually gotta go. I'm really trying to wrap this up quick, but it's not really working. I'll be back. Just
laugh at the ratchet way that I'm about to do this hair. I'm literally gonna do it on the floor. This is what the hair kind of looks like right now. So no, it's not bad. The roots, the knots have been bleached. Focus. Okay, so this is the pack I actually bought, which is Ruby Rouge. Yeah, Ruby Rouge. Yes, these are the 2 Ruby Rouge. Literally, I'm sitting on the floor, just a mess. I'm literally sitting on the floor in my bathroom. So, do excuse me. I have no gloves. And I just want to say, I apologize. Oh, sorry, I'm moving back. Yeah, I just want to apologize for the bad lighting, etc, 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 but I did not want to start taking out lighting equipment, backdrops, blah, 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 just to film this, because to be absolutely honest, I actually don't even want to dye this hair right now, but because I'm taking this out soon, I need to, and I don't want to pay anyone £80 to do something that I can do myself. So there's also that. I'm gonna pop the stuff in here. I literally used this yesterday to bleach the hair. I washed it but not properly. I don't really care. This is really a bad tutorial, like I'm really telling you guys. Anyway, what I'm gonna do with this closure, which is 18 inches, I am going to spray this side with hairspray. I'm gonna use this one, the crappiest hairspray that I have, but you have to be very, very generous. That's why I don't mind using it, because it's the crappier one. This is the current situation. Just, yeah, it's ghetto as fuck, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. On a good day, I would do the whole setup, but right now, I just came back from, oh, girl, look at my nails. Ew. Yeah, but today, I just came back from church. I'm tired, I don't actually want to do this, so we're gonna do it like this. Alright, the results will come out the same. Okay, cool. And then the day after, I decided to pluck it a tiny, like, yeah, I decided to pluck it just a tiny smidge, you know, just a tiny smidge, and I decided to, you know, put some, you know, a little bump. You know, can you see that? A little bit of a bump. You can definitely see my wig cap underneath, which is great because that means the lace is actually transparent, so I don't really mind that too much, you know what I mean? But oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys the name. Dumb. The company is called Lee and Queen. Lee is in L-I and Queen. No spaces on Amazon. They do frontals as well. I will be getting a frontal from them, but I'll probably do like a short red thing because. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. But no, this hair so far is really, really good. And it was actually a client. It was actually a client that ordered this hair to my house for me to make her wig, and I was like, girl, you got hair off Amazon? And she said, yeah, girl, yes I did. And I said, bitch. She said, bitch. I said, bitch, you got hair off Amazon? And then it came and I was sewing and I said, oh well, oh, this ain't bad. I don't even mind this. So, you know, I started to really like it, and then I said, bitch, what's the company called? Because now I have a go-to, like, you know, when you have that, that's gonna be my go-to when I need hair, like tomorrow, like this afternoon. That's the company I'm gonna start going to. Obviously everyone knows that my hair company that I love is Rosa Hair, but I'm not waiting a week all the time. Like, if I don't have time, I'm just gonna come to these people, because, you know, it's not even that bad. And it was £105 for the 3 bundles and a closure. 24, 22, 20 and 18 enclosure. £105. I mean, I can't say no. You can't say no to a good bargain like that. So I said, well, this is what it's finna have to be, child. This is what the fuck it's finna have to be. And I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad. I can't lie to you. You guys really need to give them, you know, slide them over some money, you know what I mean? And obviously, hey, hair company, if you are looking at this, I would appreciate if you guys give me some free bundles now, because obviously I'm promoting your shit for free. Updating you guys at some point, if it does turn to absolute shits, I will let you guys know. But for now, oh, and this is what I did. This is what happened to me while I was doing this hair, because I was in so much of a rush that I turned on the straighteners, but I didn't realise I turned on the iron too. So when I went to go get the straighteners, I burnt my arm. It's really ugly and I don't like it. I forgot where I was at.
I forgot where I got up to.
I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm wearing it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. And I will see you guys in my next one when I actually figure out what the fuck it is that I want to talk about. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye. Thank you.